Imagine this. You are stuck in life, feeling like nothing is working. You're looking for answers, but then you pick up a book and suddenly it feels like the light turns on. That's exactly what happened to me. Today I'm sharing 5 books that completely changed my life. These aren't just books. These are the foundation to everything I've built. They've helped me personally and financially. So, if you are ready to take your life to the next levels, this video is for you. Let's go, it's Saad here and welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for practical ways to grow, succeed and live your dream life, you are at the right place. Now, stick with me until the end because I'll share how one of these books quite literally changed my life overnight. And hey, if you've got a book that changed your life, drop it in the comment. I'd love to hear it and maybe it will motivate other people to read that book. Let's dive into it. Let's start with the book that started it all. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book is very, very special. It's where everything changed for me. It was in my early 20s, running a small cleaning company and struggling to make ends meet. One night, I saw someone on LinkedIn mention this book. I was curious, so I downloaded the audiobook. The next night, I was out cleaning at around 3 a.m. and I pressed play on the book. Within minutes, I was hooked. By the time I was done cleaning and the day was finished, I'd finished the entire book in one single day. And honestly, I wasn't the same person anymore. I listened to that audiobook every single day for a whole week. This book taught me about the power of mindset, visualization, and belief. It showed me that success isn't about working harder. It's about thinking smarter. If you've never read Think and Grow Rich, this is your sign. Next up, The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. Now, this book is all about understanding people and how the world works. It's not just about power in the traditional sense, it's about strategy, influence, and most importantly, timing. This book taught me how to make better decisions, protect myself in business, and understand the dynamics of relationships. Some people think it's controversial, but honestly, it's full of lessons that are incredibly practical. If you want to level up your thinking and learn how to navigate life's challenges like a pro, this is the book for you. Book number 3, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. This is the ultimate guide to communication and building relationships. If you've ever felt awkward networking or struggling to connect with other people, this book will change your entire life. One of the biggest lessons I took from it is this: people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. That mindset completely transformed how I approach relationships in both business and life. If you want to make a lasting impression and connect with people, this is your go-to with no doubt. Number 4, The Art of War by Sun Tzu. Don't be fooled by the title. This isn't just about war. It's about strategy, preparation, and knowing when to act. This book taught me the importance of planning and understanding the game before making any move. It also reminded me that sometimes the best way to win is to avoid unnecessary battles. That mindset has saved me from countless headaches in both business and personal life. And finally, The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. This book introduced me to the law of attraction. Some people love it, some don't, but for me, it was life-changing. It taught me the power of focus and positive thinking, which is crucial. Here's the key takeover. When you focus on what you want, not what you fear, you start moving towards it. This isn't just something I read, it's something I live by, and the results, they are incredible. Now, here's the thing. These 5 books are just the beginning. Over the years, I've read so many books that have impacted me financially and personally. And just to make it clear, I didn't read any books before in my life. This started in my early 20s. If you want me to share more of these books in future videos, let me know in the comment, and remember to hit that subscribe button. Let's go and see you in my next video.